Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete API key in Dex Trade. To delete API key on Dex Trade, first of all launch open the Dex Trade application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now in the expanded pop-up menu, click on the My Profile drop-down. Click on API Management under My Profile, and then under API Management, scroll down to find your list of API keys. To delete an API key, go ahead and tap the Delete button at the bottom right corner. You'll then need to enter your email to FA code. Simply click on Send Code and wait for the verification code to be emailed to you. Open up your email service provider's inbox and click open the email that you received from Dex Trade. Go ahead and copy the PIN code that you received, get back to the Dex Trade app and paste in the code in the text box. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete your API key. Deleting an API key will prevent any services or applications using that key from interacting with your Dex Trade account. Be sure to regenerate a new API key if you need access after deleting the old one. So that is how you delete an API key on Dex Trade. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.